y'all. So hold on, let me turn the fan off. Okay, so I guess this is gonna be just me doing my box braids. Oh shit. This is not really a tutorial, but I did do an in-depth tutorial in 2017. I think that was 2017. I think that's the video on my channel that has the most views. So if you want like an in-depth tutorial on how to like, I'm out of breath, on how to do box braids, go check that video out and you will definitely learn something. I already got started. I got 7 braids so far. I don't care about how the parts look. I actually didn't even make any parts. I just like grabbed some hair and braided it. I did the rubber band method again. I'm just using these little black rubber bands. I did them like this, like kind of spaced out, like really big, I guess you could say, but the braids are small. I did like this because I don't have a lot of hair. This is the hair that I bought while I was home from my local beauty supply store. Make sure y'all can see. So this comes with 3, I guess you could say, bundles of hair, really thick, and this is already stretched hair, so it's really good. Yeah, and this is how it looks. Pretty ombre color. I decided to try something different, so yeah, this pack is obviously new, and then I'm just using the hair that I had in my head when I had my messed up feeding braids in. So I'm just reusing that because the hair is not old. I literally just had those braids in not even for a week, but my hair was getting frizzy and I ain't like it, so yeah. Okay, so this is what I got done last night. I would have finished it last night, but I started watching Roscoe Jenkins and yeah, that's what happened. It's all the hair that I have left. So I'm just at least try to get the front done, and then we'll see what we have left. And these little white things that you see in my hair is just gel, dried up gel. Girl, look at all that gel. Ooh, I used a whole bunch of gel.
read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million and dollars and dollars and dollars.
So this is my hair. I am officially done. I think it looks really pretty. If I had a pot and some water, some boiling hot water, then I would do that, but I don't. And it's okay, my ends look fine. And I doubt they'll come out. If they do, I just do it over and tie it at the end. But yeah, so this is my hair. I don't even know how the back looks. It looks so pretty. So the last thing that I'm gonna do is oil my scalp and try to get my edges together a little bit. And I'm using one of my favorite oils, the Wild Growth hair oil. Got it from the beauty supply store. I'm pretty sure that you can find it online though, at one of these hair websites. So yeah, I believe that it works, because once I put this in my hair, I could literally feel my scalp, like I could feel my hair growing. So yeah, this may work for you, it may not. Cut that right there. I be telling y'all, I do not like, it's this side of my edges. I do not like this side. It never comes out how I want it to come out. Like, it's always the one side that just look tacky. So, yep, this is my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want an in-depth tutorial on like how I braid my hair and how I did this, make sure you go check out my other video. I think I did it in 2017. It has over 40K views, so it's real good, it's real helpful. So yeah, go check that video out if you want an in-depth tutorial. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me do some of my hair. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.